Hey guys, thanks for tuning into another quick tutorial here on Precision Music. I was recently in a Logic forum and someone was asking a question: can you turn audio or Apple loops into a Midi region? And you can do this. It doesn't always come out exactly the way you want it to, but it can be used as a pretty good guideline at times. So we'll go about doing this now. Right now I just loaded from our Logic loop browser this loop over here. I'll play it back for you. So first thing that you want to do is turn your flex warping on. You want to make sure that flex pitch is enabled, or else this process won't work at all. So flex pitch enabled. In your editor window, you also want to make sure that it's turned on just by clicking this marker here. So essentially what it's going to do is it's going to take the information from these pitch notes and convert those into MIDI notes. Some sounds don't work as well if there's chords or just a lot of information such as bends or modulation, because it doesn't pick up the right pitches when it analyzes the track. So usually things that are a little bit more simple and stuff that has single notes being played will work best. So once you have your flex pitch selected, you want to head over to Edit, Create MIDI Track from Flex Pitch Data. And as you can see in our arrange window, it created a MIDI track over here. Now we'll play it back. We'll just solo that. So you can see it didn't do a perfect job, and usually that is the case when doing this. So you would have to go around, select some MIDI regions, and kind of play around with them. I'm just going by eye right now, so just to do something quick to show you, just to get it sounding a little bit better. That might sound okay. You could even switch the sound that you want. We'll go for the retro synth. Why not? Let's play that back. Hopefully that was helpful, and thanks for tuning in to another tutorial on Precision Music.